How about the beautiful music? Would you like to try? Let me give you a straw. Here you go.
Oh, wow. Thank you, sir. Let me try. But, sir, no music.
Haha, because there's a little trick. First, you'll need a straw. Second, you'll need a pair of scissors. Okay, let's place the scissors down and pick up the straw. First, you need to pinch the one end of the straw. Make it nice and flat. Pinch it nice and flat. And then you're gonna use your scissors and cut one side like this. You want to make it look like a bird's beak. You cut one side and now we're gonna cut the other side. Make it look like a bird's beak with a nice pointy end. Just like this. And you're gonna pinch it flat again. And then, now it's gonna be a beautiful music instrument. Ready? Let me see you try.
Oh, okay. So let me see. We take the straw, we pinch the one end. And we take these scissors and we make a bird's beak. 1, 2. Ooh, let me try. That is so cool.
Yes, it is very cool. And you can have the long ones that will make a deeper sound like this. Or you can cut them shorter, it would have a higher pitched sound like this. You can try it at home. See you next time.